Hello everyone, I have come with a new video where we will complete next unit third of geometry, where we can complete these all important facts, and this geometry and coordinate geometry both contains around 15 plus 6 around 20-21 marks. So you need to be more aware and confident here. These are the portion which will be really very helpful for you to understand these all things. So let's start from here. It's given here triangles. So it's the main concept. What is the main concept here? Similar figures. Two figures having the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. Next point, all congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not congruent. Okay, now next point, similar polygons. So it's given two polygons are said to be similar to each other if one, their corresponding angles are equal, and second, the lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. For example, you can see here, it's given here, this small and this big here. So you need to be aware and confident also from here. It's given that any two line segments are similar since length are proportional. And so you can see here that a small circle, it's given in here in a small circle, and it's a big circle, it's r1 and r2. So any two circles are similar since radii are proportional. It's called radius r for, so it's radii are proportional. Now next you can see this is small and this is square, both is square. Any two squares are similar since the corresponding angles are equal and lengths are proportional. So we have completed these all things from here. So now next we start from here. Its note is given here that similar figure are congruent if there is 1-to-1 correspondence between the figure. So you can see here these both figure. Any two triangles are similar if their for one corresponding angles are equal. So angle A equal to angle P. So you can see here angle A equal to angle P, and angle B equal to angle Q. So angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. So angle C equal to angle R. So these both are equal, so it is called that corresponding angles are equal. Getting? So it's called similar triangles. Now you can see from here, its second point, corresponding sides are proportional. So AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR. Now next, Thales theorem or the basic proportionality theory. So theorem 1, state and prove the Thales theorem. So it's given a statement: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So you can see here in this triangle that how it's being made, that triangle ABC, and then this ABC, after that it's DE, and then it's just like that making here. You can see, understand easily from here. So it's given here, given a triangle ABC is ABC equal to comma DE. You can see here BC. So to prove here, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So constant draw, you can see that EM and AD and then DN and AE join for B to E and C to D. To prove, so you have to prove here in triangle ADE and BDE here. So just making in frame here. We are here. No, we have done these all. Proof here, ADE and A triangle BDE. So AR, so you triangle ADE, then AR it's here given. Triangle BDE equal to half multiplied by AD multiplied by EM. So by half multiplied by db multiplied by eb equal to ad by db. So in triangle ade and triangle cde, so AR triangle ADE by AR triangle CDE equal to half multiplied by E multiplied by DN by 1.5 multiplied by EC multiplied by DN equal to AE by EC. So you can see DE parallel than BC. So AR it's in a triangle BDE equal to AR ACD. It's given. So it's proved here like that. So you can do like that. This is really very important. In first, it is given that area of a triangle equal to half multiplied by base and corresponding the altitudes. It's given here also. So triangles on the same base of between the same parallel sides are equal in the area. So from 1 and from 2 and from 3 equal to AD by DE equal to AE by EC. So thus it's proved here and it's clear. To know its points are given more here. So criterion for similar or triangles. Two triangles are similar if either of the following three criterions are satisfied. So triple A similarity criterion. If two triangles are equiangular, then they are similar. So corollary double A similarity. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. And now triple S or SSS similarity criterion. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then they are similar. So SAS, so similarity criterion. If in two triangles one pair of corresponding sides are proportional and the included angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Okay, we have completed till here. Now its result in the similar triangles based on similarity criterion. So we can complete from here. Now it's 1 point given, ratio of corresponding sides equal to ratio of corresponding perimeter. Second, ratio of corresponding sides equal to ratio of corresponding medians. Third, ratio of corresponding sides equal to ratio of corresponding altitudes. Now fourth, ratio of corresponding side equal to ratio of corresponding angles bisector segments. So these all things are given here properly. So now next point, area of similar triangles. So it's given theorem 2. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. The given triangle ABC, then triangle DEF. To prove the AR triangle ABC by AR triangle DEF equal to AB square by DE square equal to BC square by EF square equal to AC square by DF. So constant draw AM, then BC and then DN2 then EF. It's being given here. So next is on here. We can complete from here. So here it's being that it's you have to prove here. Proof in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So AR triangle ABC by AR triangle DEF equal to half multiplied by BC multiplied by AM. So half multiplied by EF multiplied by DN equal to BC EF, and then you can see here it's given that AM by DN it's 1. So it's starting with that it's given 0.1 here. The area of triangle equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by corresponding altitudes. It's given here. So triangle ABC, then triangle DEF, it's being given here. That AB by DE equal to BC by EF. It's the second here. The sides are the proportional. Now angle B equal to angle E. So angle M equal to angle N. Now so triangle ABM, then triangle DEN. So AB by DE equal to AM by DN. It's third points given here. Sides are proportional here. So now from 2 and 3 we have BC by EF equal to AM by DN. It's fourth. Now we can start from here. It's from 1 and 4th we have the AR triangle ABC, but AR triangle DEF equal to BC by EF. So then BC by EF equal to BC square by EF square. Okay. Now similarly we can prove that AR triangle ABC by AR triangle DEF equal to AB square by DE square equal to AC square by DF square. So AR and triangle ABC by AR triangle DEF equal to AB square by DE square equal to BC square by EF square equal to AC square by DF square. So now results based on the area theorem. So point 1 is given ratio of areas of similar triangles equal to ratio of squares of corresponding altitudes. Second, ratio of areas of similar triangles equal to ratio of squares of corresponding medians. And third, ratio of areas of two similar triangles equal to ratio of square of corresponding angle bisector segments. Okay, so we have done here. Now it's note, if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, the triangles are congruent. Okay, now next start from here. Let's given that Pythagoras theorem. So theorem 3, state and prove Pythagoras theorem. So its statement is given here. A statement, prove that in a right triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. It's given triangle ABC is a right triangle, right angled at B. To prove AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So now constant draw BD, then it's given AC. The proof in triangles ABC and ADB. So triangle A equal to triangle A. Angle A equal to angle A. Angle ABC equal to angle ADB. So triangle ABC then triangle ADB, and it's so AB by AD equal to AC by AB. So AB square equal to AC then AD. It's given, and now we can see here that it's being made here triangle ABC and D. It's being that this is the common, and each degree is 90 degree. These all things are similarity here. Side are proportionals here. So we have done it's point 1 that, and these all things are angle AC and angle C is common here. So you can see now in triangle ABC and triangle BDC. So triangle C and triangle C is common here. So triangle ABC equal to triangle angle AC equal to angle C equal to common here. So angle ABC equal to angle BDC equal to each 90 degree. So triangle ABC and triangle BDC equal to AAS similarity. So BC by DC equal to AC by BC. Side are proportional here. It's written here. Portion. It's given here that BC square equal to AC then DC here. On adding A and on adding 1 and 2 we get, so BC square equal to AC and DC it's given, it's the point 2 here. Equation 2 we can see here. So it's now on adding of 1 and 2 we get AB square plus BC square equal to AC AD plus AC DC here. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC AC. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC and AD DC. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Getting? So these all points are being given here. Furtherly these all things. So now next from here point, conjure of the Pythagoras theorem. So theorem 4, state and prove the conjure of Pythagoras theorem. Statement, prove that in a triangle if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite the first side is a right angle. So given in triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. To prove angle ABC equal to 90 degree. So constant, draw a right angle DEF. So it's first it's a triangle ABC, then a constant angle DEF. It's being here drawn. So which DE equal to AB, to DE, so DE equal to AB, and EF equal to BC. So EF equal to BC. It's given. To prove in triangle ABC, the AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. It's given 1. So in that triangle DEF, to triangle DEF, DE square plus DE square plus EF square equal to DF square by Pythagoras theorem. So AB square plus BC square is equal to DF square. So we have to, the from 1 and 2 we get so from 1 and 2 we get AC square equal to DF square equal to AC equal to DF. So now DE equal to AB. So EF equal to BC or DF equal to AC. So see these all things are near. EF equal to BC to by constant, and DF equal to AC to by constant. Now triangle DEF equal to the triangle ABC. So proved above here, and so angle DEF equal to angle ABC is SSS, the congruences. Now angle DEF equal to 90 degree to CT, and then triangle ABC equal to, or triangle DEF equal to 90 degree to by constant. It's been given here everything. So now result based on Pythagoras theorem. So one is given result on the obtuse triangles. So it's given here obtuse triangle. Here you can see if triangle ABC is an obtuse angled triangle, obtuse angles at B, the obtuse triangle at B. So AB, if AD and ACB, then AC square equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2BCD. It's given here. Now second is given here, but the result on the acute triangles. So now we are coming here, the result of the acute triangles you can see here properly. This is here A, B and C, and then it's given D. So triangle ABC is an acute angled triangle, acute angles at the B and AD, and then BC. Then AC square equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BD BC. It's given here, and getting. Thus we have completed this exercise we can see from here, and now we are coming with coordinate geometry. So we can cover this coordinate geometry from here, and I am covering these all things from Shivdas. It's very important for you to keep practice from here, and this is really very helpful for you. So first I am observing these all important facts from here. So you can understand from videos also, and I have made many videos from Shivdas sample paper, so it is really very important, and I have completed from social science all chapters and English literature all chapters. After that now we are covering mathematics. So there are many important facts which is very clear, and it's you can find in your examination directly questions or indirectly question also. Contents are really very important. It will be really very helpful for your examination. So let's start with this now exercise coordinate geometry. So let's recall from here. It's given position of a point P in the Cartesian plane with respect to the coordinate axis in represented by the order pair x and y. Okay, now let's come here. It's given here. So next point, The line of XOX is called X axis and YOY is called Y axis. The part of the intersection of X axis and Y axis is called the origin. O and the coordinates of O are 0 0. Next, the perpendicular distance of a point P from the y axis is the x coordinate and is called the avisca. Next, the perpendicular distance of a point P from the x axis is the y coordinate and called ordinate. So you can see here how it's being shown here, and this here also in diagram you need to understand. So you can complete from here. Signs of abscissa and the ordinate in the different quadrants are given in the diagram. Okay. Next, any point of the x axis is of the form x and 0. Next, any point of the y axis is the form 0y. Next, the distance between two points p x1 and y1 and q x2 and y2 is given by pq is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square and plus y2 minus y1 square. So note, if O is given the origin, the distance of a point px y from the origin of O 0 0 is given by OP equal to under root x square plus y square. So now we can complete from here. It's section formula. And the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 internally in the ratio m ratio and r. So A x1 and y1, then you can see here B x2 y2 and it's given m ratio n and P xy here. So P xy equal to mx square plus nx 1 by m plus n comma my 2 plus ny1 and by m plus n. So now the above formula is the section formula. The ratio m ratio n also be written as m by n or 1 or k ratio 1. The coordinate of the p can also be written as pxy equal to kx2 plus x1 by x plus 1. So ky2 plus y1 by k1 k plus 1. Next, given the mid point of the line segment joining the points p x1 and y1 and x q x2 and y2 is, so it's a xy and p xy x1 and y1 q x2 and y2, it's given here. So a xy equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 equal by 2. Here m ratio n equal to 1 by 1 ratio 1, it's given here. So now we can be able to complete from here. It's given area of a triangle. So it's given that the area of a triangle formed by points. It's given a x1 comma y1 b x2 y2 and c x3 y3 is given by triangle. So where triangle equal to a half or 1 by 2, so it's given x1 and y2 minus y3 plus x2 and y3 minus y1 plus x3 and y1 minus y2. So where the triangle represents the absolute value, it's given that this it's the what is the definite of the exact answer where triangle represents the absolute value from here. Okay, now we have come with the last point, and after completing these points we can complete trigonometry section also. So now next point is 3 points are the collinear if triangle is equal to 0 If P is the centroids of a triangle, then the median divides it in the ratio 2:1. The coordinate of P are given by P equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So it's given, you can see here, it's shape of that quadrilateral. So it's ABCD is given there. Then area of the quadrilateral equal to ABCD or AR triangle ABC or AR triangle ADC. After completing this, we have completed this unit also properly. In my next video, I will come with the next unit where we can cover those all important facts properly. So this unit contains geometry and coordinate geometry, contains around 20 to 21 marks. So you need to be more aware and confident. Here you have to prove some sums. Those sums are really very important for you. You need to be confident and understood these formulas. It's really very important for you. And after completing these all formulas and important facts, I will come with sample paper and that previous year question paper, which will be really very helpful and important for you to complete everything from here. And I will again tell you that keep practice and be update. I will start many series also from here, and in my last video I have made that a series of 100 MCQs of social science, where those all social science MCQs are really very important for you. You should must see that video, and those will be really very helpful for you. And I have added everything in playlist from where you can be able to get easily, and those facts are really very important. And you will see many questions directly and directly from those questions, because the weightage of this Shivdas sample paper is really very good. And I have been found that from 7 years that how many questions are being repeated here. So we have discussed in previous year question paper also. So if you have not seen the previous year question paper, you should must find out the previous year question paper. And I have made the complete video on previous year question paper, and you can see those all important questions, how many times these questions are being repeated. So you need to be more aware and confident and find out those all things properly, and keep practice and be confident.